Hello, welcome in the kitchen. So glad you are here and you've come by to join me at supper time. It's summertime and it's hot outside and we don't like to eat big meals. So I usually do quick easy in the summer because I like to be outside as well. It's hot here. It's been in the 90s every day for several weeks. We need rain desperately. Our garden is just drying up and farmers are losing corn and hay, and mercy gracious, if the dear Lord could send us some rain, it would be so appreciated. So because it's hot and we don't like to eat a lot, I'm going to make something new to me, but something I thought, why not try it? We love chicken pot pie, turkey pot pie, any of those kind of things. So, but tonight I'm going to make a pizza pot pie. Doesn't that sound good? I thought it did. So I've got some deli ham right here. I've got some sausage that I cooked up that needed to be used. I've got some Parmesan, shredded Parmesan, and then I've got this pizza cheese. And I've got some pizza sauce. And I've got these cute little pie plates. These are Pioneer Woman from Walmart. Are these not the cutest little things? I've got 4 of these, and I have 4 just plain white ramekins. So we're going to do both. Okay? So first of all, I think I'm just going to get a bowl and mix everything up in it. What do y'all think? Our ham and meat and sauce, our meats and our sauce, and then our mushrooms we'll add on top. I've got some pizza sauce here. This is just a jar of pizza sauce from the food line. All right, now then, I'm going to cut up this ham right here. Probably about this much. That's about 4 ounces. 4.5. And I'm just going to cut it right like this. I need a different knife. I don't like it like this. I want this one right here. Let me wash it off real quick. Get it rinsed good. All right, now then. Oh yes, that's a much better knife. And I'm just going to go through it this way. Just like that. All right, let's throw that in there with our sauce. Okay. This is going to be our filling. All right. Now then, here's our sausage. It's been draining. You all can add as much or as little or whatever you want to this. Okay. Because this is your pizza. Let me grab a spoon or something to stir that with. Here we go. Ooh. I just thought this would be the easiest way to mix all this up. Right like this. This is just in a 4-cup measuring cup. All right. Right, there we go. There's that. Now then, let's cut us up some mushrooms. And I'm going to cut these kind of small. Not just sliced them. I'm going to kind of chunk them a little bit. Kind of cut them in little cubes, about like that, because we're going to put them right in there and mix those up here in just a minute. So y'all can tell my mushrooms are starting to kind of wilt a little bit. But I've had them for over 2 weeks, I think, in my refrigerator. In my container here that I've shown you all 100 times. You never want to leave your mushrooms in that plastic that they come in, because they will rot in just no time flat. It's the well, ouch, whatever chemical it is. Look at that. I just barely touched that. And now I've cut my finger. It's a good sharp knife for sure. Let me grab me a Band-Aid. Because I don't want to get blood in my food, do I? No, I do not. I absolutely do not. Just a little cut, but... All right, now then. You do not want to leave your mushrooms in plastic. I think that's where I was when I sliced my finger with this very sharp knife. Because they will rot. And I always take them out, and you see this has got air holes in it, and the air can get around them. I take them out and dump them in that as soon as I get them home. Y'all, absolutely, as soon as I get them home, I dump them in there. And that way, like I said, these are at least 2 weeks old. And if you leave them in that plastic, they won't hardly last 2 days. So, that's your tip for the day. I think I'm going to add one more mushroom, and that's going to be it. All right, and I'm going to get me a bigger bowl to mix all that up in, because I'm going to add some cheese to that. Right here. Oh, that's got something in it. Looks like a piece of dust. All right, got it out. Okay. Ham and sausage and mushrooms. And I'm going to put some cheese in here. I think I'll put the shredded parm in the middle of it. And y'all, I'm not measuring anything. You see that? That may be a half a cup of cheese. And you all, a lot of times when I get on here with you all, I'm just on here cooking. And I make up things as I go. I kind of have an idea as to what to do, but I end up just making it up as I go along. And I know you all want recipes, but a lot of times I don't have a recipe because it's just something I've made up. I've just made it up as I went along, and don't really have one. All right, let's put some of this cheese in there. I just dumped the whole thing. Why not? That'll make it ooey gooey yummy. And I think that will just about make it. It's about the consistency I think I'd like to have, because those mushrooms do still have a little bit of water in them. You can see it's kind of thick. It's pretty thick. All right, let me grab out our dough and I'll be right back. All righty, here we go. Here's our dough. This is just a round and thin pizza crust, pre-rolled dough on baking paper. That's what this is right here. It was just in the refrigerated section. Looks just about like a pie crust. And I probably do not have enough dough to do all of them. Should have gotten 2. But hubby got that for me, and I didn't tell him I wanted 2. I just told him to get it, so he just got the 1. But that's okay, because I have some biscuits. I think I can use that. All right, I'm just putting this filling right in these dishes. I'll use the ramekins first because they won't take as much crust. They're smaller at the top. I think I have some biscuits. Like I said, I can always use those for a crust on the top. Comes my boy in. Actually, there's 5. Not going to have it 6. Okay. All right, let's pull that in there. Okay. Now then. Nose is itching, y'all. I'm going to see if I can mark that where I need to cut it. Ooh. I'll have enough dough. Yeah, I will. Okay, I'm going to cut those 4 out. Okay, here's the ones that go on our ramekins. And I'm just going to lay it on here like this. Can y'all see what I'm doing? And instead of putting slits in it, I'm going to leave the edges open just a little bit. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to set them right here on this tray. So if it does want to bubble over, it'll be on something and not make a mess in my oven. All right, there's 2. Because you would have to vent these, and since I'm leaving the vent on the edges rather than in the middle, okay? There's 4. Now then, let's see if I can cover these other 2. And I think I'll have plenty to do that. He's over here. He's got him a ball game on, y'all. Loves his baseball. Loves, loves, loves his baseball. I'm going to stretch this one just a little bit. All right, now then, here we go. Okay. There you go. I'm going to put these right over here. Shh. Don't be so loud, though. All right, let me grab out an egg because we need to make us an egg wash for him. All right, I got me 1 egg right here. 1 egg right in there. Now he's gone outside. He wanders in and out all the time. All right, I believe that'll do it. We'll get our little pastry brush right here. I'll bring these over here so y'all can see them. Look right here. Don't they look pretty? Got 6 little pies. And I'm just putting an egg wash across this. And I don't know if we want to add some more cheese or not. What do y'all think? Should we add a little more Parmesan cheese? Or some Italian seasoning maybe? That sounds good, doesn't it? That Italian herb. Let's do that. Let's add some Italian herbs to it. Here we go. Here's our herb grinder. What do y'all think of that? Doesn't that look pretty? All right, I'm going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees until they are bubbly and the tops are all golden brown and they are yummy. Then I'll bring y'all back when we get ready to eat. Look at our little pizza pot pies. Don't they look yummy? I think they do. I think they look so yummy. Y'all, I just do. I don't want to. Look. It's hot, y'all. It's still boiling. That tastes delicious. Like I said, it's boiling. It is boiling hot in there. I'm going to let them cool a few minutes and then we're going to eat. This is something I probably will make again and again and again because it's super easy. And like I said, if you don't have a pizza dough, use your biscuit on the top. If you've got some canned biscuits or Heavenly Days, make you some pizza dough. I've done that. I used to do that all the time, but this is summer and I wanted quick, I wanted easy, I wanted convenient. So I went with convenience tonight. Wintertime comes and I'm in the house all the time. I get in here, I make pizza dough, I make bread, I make, oh Lordy, all kinds of good stuff in the wintertime. But I'm in the house all the time, and in the summertime I like to be out. So I tend to go more for convenience in the summer. So y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.